Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mastering the Automation and Workflows in GoHighLevel. My name is Siavash, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm a tech consultant and also certified GoHighLeveler in Australia. And what we're going to cover in this course is we're basically going to help beginners to master the workflow features in GoHighLevel, which is a very powerful tool for automation and automating your business processes. By the end of this course, you will be able to create, manage, and optimize workflows to streamline various tasks such as lead nurturing, appointment scheduling, customer onboarding, and much more. This is perfect if you're a small business owner, marketers, or anyone looking to leverage automation within your business workflow. So we're going to start with an introduction module, which we cover 3 lessons that we go through what are the workflows and how they work. Then in module 2, we're going to start actually building your workflow. So you're going to setting up your first workflow, understand the triggers, action, and those kind of things. In module 3, we're going to work through our way into a little bit more advanced features within the workflows. Module 4, we're going to talk about management and optimization, how to test your workflows, how to troubleshoot your workflows. And in module 5, we're going to basically do a real world application, such as automating a lead nurture automation, streamlining your appointment scheduling, and even a customer onboarding and follow up. So we're going to implement some of the real world application that I've been using for my clients. And you're going to do a final project, which is creating a custom workflow for your business. So I will design a custom workflow and show you how you can actually design a custom workflow for your business. And then we're going to have a bonus module, which is integrating workflow with other tools. So there's a lot of third-party applications like ChatGPT, AI, and other things that we can integrate within the automation. And that's it. The only requirements that we want you for this course would be a basic understanding of GoHighLevel CRM. You don't need to be advanced, so just a basic understanding. And also, if you have an account, either trial or paid for hands-on practices, that would be perfect. Otherwise, you can always get one and just download a trial one for free using my link, or just go to the GoHighLevel. All right, without further ado, let's jump into the module 1, lesson 1. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.